This is the Go mic by Samson. It's a portable USB microphone for recording, as you can see. It seems to have very good reviews for its size, its quality compared to its price. This includes Cakewalk recording software for the PC. Nice touch. And there's the details on the back side. Nice packaging. For comparison's sake, there's my iPhone. Let's crack it open because you don't need to see any more of that. So there's the microphone there, neatly packaged. And let's just put that aside to see what else in here. Yep. So we lift this up. You see that little tag, and that reveals a few more goodies. USB cable, a mini USB. That's the same as my GoPro, Mobius, a bunch of other little things, so I won't always need to carry separate cables, just the one for those items. Cakewalk software and the owner's manual, which is quite comprehensive by the look of it. This is the warranty card, purchase registration information, and a cool little case. So let's look at the actual item. Pop it out this little case there. So there it is. Headphone socket, USB, and that pops out like that. So that's a clip there. So to attach that to anything really. Laptop, body, which you probably won't want to. And here's the actual mic itself. It's very, very small. And that actual bit of the microphone is extremely light. This bit is almost metallic, or as close to. So that's quite solid, but that's tiny. That's it in the palm of the hand there. That's it compared to the iPhone. Nice and small. Put your thumb on there, press down, pop that in, close that on gently. Now it comes with a little case, which is a cracking idea. Hard shell, nice and small. So let's see what it's like in use. I'm going to test it against my usual microphone that I use on the MacBook Air. I'll also test it against the Logitech C270 microphone that I use when I do FaceTime via the MacBook Air and Skype, and then we'll see how it compares with this. So let's go do that. This is a test using the MacBook Air's microphone. This is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3. Now with the C270, this is how it sounds, with no adjustments at the same distance as all the other mics. So the Samson is at the same distance from me. This is an omni setting. You should be hearing a lot of other noises. Now at this setting, the cardioid setting, the top setting, it should be somewhat better. This is the cardioid with a 10 decibel pad. Can you tell the difference? Let me know below. So I just wanted to try this again to get a bit closer to the cardioid -10 and to see how it sounds, just so you've got a good idea. I haven't put a pop shield on yet. That's probably what I need to do next. Let's see how this sounds. Let me know below. Subscribe. Take it easy. Be good. Peace. Now I had to add this to the video as well. I messed up. This is with the Samsung Go in the cardioid setting with the C270 as the webcam. Now notice something that you don't see in any of my pictures. That's the way round it's supposed to be. You've got the light that's telling you if it's clipping or not. So this is how it should sound. Let's see how it is in practice when I upload it. Again, let me know. Take it easy. Be good.